Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W124 channel. On today's video I will show you how to replace the rear brake pads on your Mercedes. First thing we have to do is to raise the car and remove the wheel. Obviously for security we take all necessary steps when we remove a wheel to place the handbrake, to have the car on P if it's an automatic, on first gear if you got a manual, and when you remove the wheel you place it under the car. Now if you look on your caliper, you've got two small holes that are here and there, okay? So you will need to remove that clip that's inside. So for this you will use a small screwdriver, an Allen key, whatever you have that can fit inside, and we will knock it and take it out. So we take the two. Now using a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, you will force the old brake pads to come out. Now that you have removed your old brake pad, you will need to fit the new one. Obviously, as we can see with this one is very thin, this one is thick. So obviously the new one will not fit inside. Why? Because the piston is pushing it towards the disc. Okay? So before you fit the new one, you will need to open the pistons in order to fit the new ones. So for this, you will use either a very thick screwdriver or a bar like this one. This is to remove tires on a wheel. Anything that you have that can open the pistons. Okay, you open it at its maximum, and then you'll be able to fit the new pads. Now I won't give you the part number for the brake pads. Why? Because depending of the year of your vehicle, the brake pads will change. So obviously what fits on mine will not fit yours, probably not. But anyway, no worries. Whenever you buy it on the internet or if you go into a shop, they will ask you for your chassis number, and then with this they will know exactly what brake pads fits on yours. Now it's time to place the new pads inside. Okay, if you can see it doesn't fit, it doesn't go in, okay, it's because you didn't push the cylinder far enough, so you need to push it a bit more and then it will enter. Once our pads are in place, we're gonna fit this back, so that curved inside, and then we're gonna fit those two bits that we removed inside, making sure everything is in place. Okay, and once it's in place, we're gonna hammer it behind to make sure it doesn't move anymore. That's it, the brake pads have been changed. All I've got to do now is to place back the wheel on the car and repeat the same operation on the other side. Once it's done, before you use your car, make sure you start the car, you press the foot brake quite a few times to make sure the pistons adjust on the brake pads. If you don't do that and you drive your car like that, you will have a big surprise. That will be a nasty surprise. Okay, so anyway, that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.